Welcome, sweet one, to this week's guided meditation. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Allow your body to settle into the earth beneath you, feeling fully supported, fully held. Close your eyes if it feels safe to do so. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Gently hold and exhale slowly out your mouth, releasing any tension alive within you. Again, inhale deeply. Hold. Exhale it all out. Allow your breath to become soft and steady, like waves rolling on to a quiet shore. Begin to bring awareness to your body. Notice the parts of you touching the ground or chair beneath you. Notice the way your clothing hugs your skin. Notice the temperature of the air around you. Breathe into your feet. Feel them grounding down. Roots extending from your soles deep into the earth, anchoring you here, now, in this moment. Bring your awareness up to your calves, your knees, your thighs. Notice any tension, numbness, or sensation without judgment. Simply greet it with presence. Move up into your hip, your low belly, your womb or sacral space. Breathe here. Allow any tightness to soften. Place your hand on this space if it feels supportive. Bring your awareness up into your solar plexus, up into your heart, your chest. Feel your ribs expanding with each inhale. Feel your heart beating. Whisper internally, I am here. I am alive. I am safe in this breath. Now move up to your shoulders, your neck, your jaw. Soften them. Unclench your teeth. Relax your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Let your forehead smooth. Let your eyes rest heavy in their sockets. Bring your awareness to the crown of your head. Imagine a golden light pouring down from above, filling your entire body with warmth, safety, and quiet power. Let's deepen your breath now. Breathe in for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue this pattern for a few moments, allowing your exhales to soften your body even further into the earth. With each inhale, breathe in safety, warmth, nourishment. With each exhale, release tension, fear, and doubt. Now begin to imagine a door in front of you. This is the entrance to your inner temple, the sanctuary within you where all parts of yourself are welcome. As you stand before this door, notice its details. What is it made of? Wood, gold, stone, light? Feel its texture under your fingertips. When you're ready, gently open the door and step inside. You find yourself in a vast, beautiful temple. The ceilings are high, the floors warm beneath your feet. Candles flicker along the walls. Soft incense fills the air with grounding scent. Walk slowly through your temple. Notice the altars, the symbols, the sacred objects placed with intention. This is your temple, built from your soul's truth. Find a place to sit within this temple, maybe on a cushion, a stone, or directly on the earth's floor. Feel the quiet power here. Feel how this place exists within you always. Feel how your inner temple welcomes every part of you without judgment. As you sit here, notice a figure entering the temple. This is part of you that you often reject or hide. Maybe it's the part of you who feels rage. Maybe it's the part of you who numbs out. Maybe it's the part of you who feels unworthy or weak. Maybe it's the part of you who desires to be worshipped and provided for. See them now, standing before you. Notice how they look, how they stand, the expression on their face. Breathe deeply and say internally, "You are welcome here. I see you. I honor you. You do not need to hide anymore." Allow this part of you to come closer. If it feels safe, reach out your hand to them. Feel their presence merging with yours, integrating back into your wholeness. Breathe together. Feel them settle into your chest, your belly, your bones. Feel the relief as they are welcomed home. Now imagine another presence entering your temple. This is your dark feminine or dark masculine archetype. For some, this may appear as a woman draped in black silk, eyes fierce and soft. For others, it may be a powerful masculine presence, rooted and commanding without force. Or it may be a fluid energy, beyond gender, radiant with mystery. See them walking towards you now. Notice how they move, calm, confident, magnetic, rooted in truth. They sit beside you. Feel their energy merging with yours, awakening your own dark power. This is the part of you that knows, I do not bend to be chosen. I do not shrink to be loved. I am magnetic simply because I am. Breathe them into your bones. Feel your spine straighten. Feel your chest open. Feel your aura expand softly but powerfully. For the men listening, this is your sacred masculine and dark feminine weaving together, creating a presence that is unshakable, rooted in purpose and deeply receptive. For the women, feel your dark feminine's knowing flow through your veins. For the non-binary souls, feel the dissolution of gender rising as pure, holy life force. Stay here, breathing with this presence. Let them teach you wordlessly. Now in this temple, imagine a light pouring down from above, golden and warm, pure. It enters the crown of your head and fills your entire being with wholeness. Feel your nervous system soften into that trust. Feel your heart open to receive love, beauty, safety, and devotion. Feel your womb or low belly glowing with quiet power. Repeat silently, I am my own temple. I am my own sanctuary. I am safe within myself. I am whole. I am worthy of beauty, love, and ease. Take a few final deep breaths, breathing into yourself in the present moment. Begin to bring your awareness back to your physical body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel the air against your skin. Know that your inner temple is always here within you. You can return anytime you feel lost, numb, overwhelmed, or disconnected. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining me today on this journey back to self. Namaste.